Welcome to my channel. The new Peugeot 40A2026 has been unveiled. The crossover fastback has become even more striking in appearance and more powerful. The new Peugeot 408 made its debut at the Brussels Motor Show and will go on sale in the spring. The Peugeot 408 has been updated in the spirit of its sister hatchback, the 308. Its front end has become even more stylish thanks to new headlights, bumper and radiator grille. In addition, the rear lights have been changed and Peugeot lettering illumination has been added. New wheel rims have also been offered, and the color palette has been expanded. The interior of the Peugeot 408 has not undergone significant changes, only the trim materials have been improved. The cross-fastback retains the i-Cockpit layout with a compact steering wheel and a high-mounted digital instrument panel. Programmable i-toggles touch buttons are installed on the center panel. The new Peugeot 40A2026 has a more powerful 240 HP plug-in hybrid powertrain with a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder gasoline engine and an electric motor. The electric range has increased to 85 km thanks to a larger 14.6 kWh battery. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.